Hello, hello. Yeah, okay. I'm yeah. So I want kwanza I want to introduce my people to you. Yeah, my people. As you can hear, you are talking with Benalt. So this is making arts pale, amekuwa na socialists wengi. So I didn't Bena, unaweza ambia nini watu about your story and everything? Yeah.
Maybe I can talk to one person.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're live now. You can talk to your people and you tell him Benani nani. Yeah.
I would like to start with right.
Uh-huh.
Anyone available?
Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm listening, Bena.
Oh, you're listening.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm Ben.
Mhm. Yeah.
I'm from Nairobi. Currently, I'm Nairobi. I've been Nairobi for a while.
Uh-huh.
I'm an artist. I do art,
Yeah.
drawing. Yeah, generally drawing. And I can give thanks to Grace
Yeah.
for for this for this opportunity at least.
Yeah.
To have interacted, to Mongia.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And one day I hope we can meet in person.
Mm. Yeah, I'm listening. Yeah.
So I don't know some of the live.
Yeah, mi niko live pale Facebook. Tulikuwa umenitumia WhatsApp. Yeah, they're seeing you the picture. Nimeweka Bina pale mkuu na yeye, na nimeweka picha yako mkuu na Dampaman. Yeah, na kuko na ingine hapa mkuu na Musilia. How did you come up to meet with Musilia?
Okay, so nilikuwa selected as
Uh-huh.
the head of art,
Uh-huh.
arts and culture in NTV.
Yeah.
And NTV every Saturday.
Yeah.
And so tunapewa material kwa guest.
Uh-huh.
And I was in charge of welcoming him.
Yeah. Yes.
And so hapo hivyo ndio nikamanage kumpata.
Uh-huh.
At least we talk in person.
Yeah.
Yeah, we shared
Uh-huh.
some information.
Yeah.
That's how I met Mutire and Obina. Obina alikuwa ameniita show.
Yeah.
Alikuwa ameniita show kwa hiyo studio yake.
Yeah.
Hivyo ndio nilipatana na Obina, Dapaman. Huwa tunafanya na yeye advert.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Dapaman tulipatane Obina and then from there tukafanya adverts na yeye.
Okay. So bro, I thank you very much hata kukutana na maselebu yao wako hapo. It's not very easy.
But these people are just normal people.
Ai we. Yeah.
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 It's just by by luck yenye wamepata tu in life.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just luck.
So ndajua Obina. Yeah, audi mlikuanga na hiyo siku mlikuwa kwa Obina show ama?
Yeah.
And
Obina huyo tumekuwa tukiongea kitambo.
yeah.
Yeah. So ndio nika nini studio hivyo studio. Mpaka leo what tunaongea. As we are talking, nilikuwa nimekuambia that I will be going somewhere.
Yeah.
So I'm going for the award ceremony. So naona nikipost
Yeah.
the best artist of the year in East Africa. And so I was nominated and I was selected as number one.
Yeah.
Of the year East Africa 2026.
Yes.
Second time. This is the second time winning.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going for the award. I need to bring the photos.
Yeah.
Remind me in the evening.
So and there's another picture here. Anaitwa aje huyu the lead sister wa huyu anakongwa kwa NTV. Frida Mwaka, yeah.
Okay, Frida Mwaka huwa tunapanda kwa show.
Yeah.
Temple of the Matambo. How tunapanda kwa show every Saturday. Yeah. Those are the first people whom I met in studio.
Oh, so those are the first people to invite you at studio?
Yeah, hao ndio walikuwa kwanza who invited me to studio. Na hao ndio waliniselect as the head of art and culture department in NTV.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much.
Most welcome, bro.
So before tumalize, does kustream sana for more than 1.5 hours. So many people know me as Chris Comic. And huwa nafanyanga live stream zangu pale Facebook. Very soon I'll doing multi-stream YouTube and Facebook and Twitter at the same time. So I thank you very much hata kuongea na platform yangu. I am a very humble person. Now and again I would like, if possible, I would like to meet you physically. And again, if possible, I would like to meet the little gentlemen pale ambao nimewaona kama wakina Dampaman, akina Obina. I love Obina manze, ukimwona tafadhali enda umsalimie, umpe greetings zangu.
I think I can go to studio on Monday or Tuesday there.
Yeah.
Next week. Yeah, I think I can go back because we have an agreement of something that we have to discuss about.
Yeah.
Yeah, about the Furugu 3.
Oh, the Furugu 3?
Yeah, the fight.
So you want to mean that bado uko kwa the people alleging the Furugu from 1 and 2?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, manze.
I've been just behind the scene.
Behind the scene hapo. Oh, thank you very much. So, nakuko na picha nyingine hapa nilikuwa nimesahau. Huko City Center.
Oh, City with the olive barrels, but kuna moja siku mbili actually.
Yeah, you just said me one.
Kuna ingine that is olive barrels.
Yeah.
Kama you to me and your citizen. With the lady. And then kuna Koinange.
Yeah.
And then kuna Lilian Muli.
Hello. Yeah, kuna Lilian Muli, just haujanitumia hizo picha, but with these people we can see that you are very good person in playing this just content making, kwana art part. So I just congratulate you, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah, again and again. So people have been underrating me, so wakisema that I cannot meet some people who are very big ama wakimi celebrity fulani.
What I can tell you, bro.
Yeah.
Don't listen to what people say.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't listen to what people say. Hata mimi nikikwambia wewe sikia tu basi. Usikie tu juu kuna kusikia. But don't take it to pull you down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ukiongelewa, that's when you get married. That's the end of working hard.
Yeah.
But sasa ukisema now that wameniongelea that I want to make enyewe I'm a failure. You see?
Yeah, I see.
You want to make it life. But if you strong now that's propaganda. You will make it life.
So bro, thank you and I hope that kila kitu itakuwa poa.
Yeah, everything will be okay. Just giving yourself. You will make it life. Hata mimi I started from zero.
Yeah.
Mimi hawa watu nilikuwa naonanga tu kwa TV
like yeah.
Yeah, at first ilikuwa tu kama miracle. Nasema sasa nikitaka kupatana na hao nitapatana na hao.
Yeah.
But it came that inakuwa normal. Mimi hata mtu akiniambia sahi, sijui Mosiri anapita hapo nje. I won't be that surprised that what are you talking one or ametangapi or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you mean that you cannot be surprised for now to see Musilia Welas? Si kama personally ninaweza taka kumuona vizuri na kummeet.
If you want to see ni nani unataka kumuona?
Yeah?
Ni nani unataka kumuona?
For me, I will rather napenda tu Obina. I love Obina. That is the gentleman from these ambao umekutana nao. I would like to first meet Obina akiwa kwanza short. Yeah.
Okay, if you plan kukuja Nairobi. I will do that favor for you.
I will just appreciate. People have been underrating me, but I will make sure that hii kitu itahappen na itakuwa fiti kabisa.
Yeah, prove them wrong. That what they have been saying finally.
Yeah.
It come true.
So here from Meru, I would like to teach you just a bit of Kimelu before we continue with our live interview. So how the language, people see fear that Meru people are very courageous, but which is a very big mean. We are very calm, we are very delegated to do our things. So just say, the greetings of Meru first.
I have a friend of mine who is a male, actually a girlfriend, not even a friend. He's coming from Meru. He's a Meru.
By the name, maybe I may be knowing him or her.
Sharon Kamasi.
Oh, hiyo sijamjua kidogo.
You can identify the name of the family. Let me
Mm-hmm.
I'll ask her. Then you can from there.
Oh, basi, thank you for joining me on my live show pale Facebook. Nitakuchat Facebook Chris Comic.
Yeah, you will inform me.
Yeah, so thank you very much, and please, as a pledge or as a request to you, make a connection with me.
Smart.
Yeah.
And don't listen to what people say.
Yes.
It will pull you down if you do so.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much hata kwa time yako. Because I know that you are very busy today. Tulikuwa tuna communicate from the morning until this time.
Prepare myself.
Oh, you are just in a meeting?
Yes.
Hey, lakini sijakusumbua sana. Hello.
Utanikumbusha jioni, utanitext WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Nikutumie the photos.
Okay, thank you so much. Alafu, please, if I'll make to come at Nairobi or we just plan.
Utaniambia.
Hata meet hata behind the scene, you know, things are very, very big. Yaani ni kitu inaweza sikia furaha sana. And again, I even to meet some people, hata kushow talent yangu ya kufanya posters, kufanya live stream ambayo hata somulana ambao huko online too.
Unafanya live streaming.
Yes, now you are talking, I am live with you. Yeah, tuko live sasa. Yani azini yangu mi naweza afanyanga kaa podcast TV. I have not reached the level that I want to reach because of like lack of internet, proper layout.
Do you have the resources?
Yeah, the resources, I've got the laptop. I used to use my phone as my webcam. I used to have a sound to elite.
Uko na microphone?
For now, no. Sina, lakini natumianga vitu za church. So na generate hiyo sound kutoka kwa mixture through the sound card. So naitumia kuweka kwa live yangu na laptop. Na kuanga very good, but for now I'm using direct my phone mic.
You need to have a microphone. At least. Hata kama kelele itakuwa kwa background, una live stream.
Yeah.
At least people can get what you think.
Yeah, just
Una mwoji or you.
yeah.
Kenye unasema.
You're watching?
Nasema. Ukiwa na microphone, it will improve the sound quality.
And then to leave movie or sound ya background.
The background sound at least haita overlap the official voice ni una record.
So we'll just plan, my bro. Yeah, and pose. You know, for me, I'm from Meru, a place called Chimao, Bole World. Oh, Bole constituency. Yeah, Chimao World.
I think siku moja nitatembea huko.
Okay. Yeah, you will be much welcome, and at this point you are planning as a group of team of some influencers on September 6th.
September.
We are planning a sit in fashion at Timau. Hoping if things will be okay, we'll just communicate hata ukuje. If possible, you come, you talk to people as that street inversion continues. If God make us be on the Saturday, yeah, we just make a plan.
Yeah, we will have a plan.
Yeah, thank you very much, bro. Yeah, and I hope Yaki, nimeshukuru sana kuongea na wewe. Okay, thank you very much. Please make an arrangement. Mimi nitatumia transport yangu kuja, bora tu if possible I'll meet those big people. Unajua saa kivyangu ni furaha sana, lakini unajua umewazoea.
I understand, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
So the last one to my viewers, to my people who are watching, or those who are just listening, the last word to them.
Okay, what I can say to them,
Yeah.
to ukichukiwa, that's when you get the courage of moving on in life. Usipokuwa na adui, you want to move on.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least when you have an enemy, prove wrong that you can't do, like the way you say that you can't make in life. That's when you need to be strong and prove them wrong.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, and please my viewers, just go and look at Ben Art pale Facebook, or just give me your social media handles pale unapatikana, mtu anaweza kupata haja akitaka art zako.
Ben Art everywhere. Go Ben Art, you'll just see I always rank on the top page. Ben Art. Yeah.
Ben Art.
Yeah, Ben on the top, on the list.
Says, okay, thank you very much and God bless you. Hoping to meet and plan for future thing. Very much. Thank you. Okay, the big people. Huyo alikuwa Ben Art, a guy who has been working with Bina Damperman pale. So my people, where you are or where you're listening from, make sure that you follow Ben Art on all platforms and feel welcome to join me as we plan many things to come. You know, people have been underrating me that this is just an influence pale Facebook. Like, hakuna influence, hii ni kujitafutia manzi. Hii ni kujitafutia baba. I do not care what people say, but I know that everything gonna be okay. Yeah, everything gonna be okay. So I go by the name Chris Comic. Please make sure that you follow me everywhere. Chris Comic Facebook there, hoping that mambo itakuwa fiti. Just follow me at Chris Comic Facebook. Yeah, and